We came to thank the president for his magnanimity and his support to the governors and for our party, the APC. He gave us a marching order to what to do. For him also to have given and ceded his executive power to the governors to go ahead and conduct primaries based on the Electoral Act, either a consensus or direct primaries. So he's reiterated his support for our decision and he has given us a go-ahead to go ahead.
We met with Mr. President. The timetable for the primaries has been released. We'll discuss the process moving forward so that there'll be free and fair elections, no rancor, and at the end of the process, the party should be won stronger than ever, heading towards the election.